Want to know how to create better content in seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you my full review of Peppertype AI, and I'll show you how to use Peppertype AI to help you generate high quality content that will engage your audience. Hey there, my name is Saurabh and I'm excited to show you one of the coolest tools that I've been using lately called Peppertype AI. It's an AI tool that can help you generate better content in seconds by analyzing a topic and providing you with the ideas and data that you can use. So whether you are a blogger, marketer, or just someone who wants better content, this tool is for you. So right now I'm inside the Peppertype AI dashboard, and this is how the members area looks like. On the top you will see home, projects, and history, and then you have got the help section, you have got what's new, you can also change the language, and you have got this account settings for you. And then on the home page you will see all these different templates which are available. So they've got these most popular templates for core answers, content rewriters, social media, post captions, and then they have got all these different templates. You may have seen some other tools as well, similar tools, copywriting tools, which use the similar kind of content. But the main difference is the pricing for Peppertype AI and the other tools which are available in the market. I'll be covering the pricing a bit later on in this video, so stick around and make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be giving you a cool deal for Peppertype AI. So now let me show you one of the demo of one of the templates which are available. Let's say you want to create YouTube video and you want some topic ideas. So then what you have to do, you just need to enter the particular keyword. So let's say I want to create content on affiliate marketing, and then they have got these advanced options as well. And if you want to put the keywords you want to rank for, let's say I want to rank for affiliate marketing for beginners, and then all I have to do is click on create content, and it is going to give me some video ideas for my YouTube video. So as you can see, it has generated all this content. So let's see. The first idea it has given is how to start an affiliate marketing business. Discuss how to start affiliate marketing business. What are commonly used platforms? What should you look for? And how to make money with affiliate marketing. That's a good one. Then you have top 10 affiliate marketing mistakes and how to avoid them. A video where you talk about affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid. Again, that's a good idea. So if you're into affiliate marketing, you know what are the common mistakes which people do. Then let's have a look at another one. What is affiliate marketing and how to start? Top 10 affiliate marketing mistakes and tips to avoid them. A video where you talk about basics of affiliate marketing and mistakes beginners make. So as you can see, we selected the keyword to rank for affiliate marketing for beginners. So it has given the pain point for the beginners, like what all mistakes which people beginners make while starting their affiliate marketing journey. So it has given me these different ideas around that topic, and if I want to create more outputs, I just need to click on create more outputs and it will give me more ideas. So it has given me 9 more ideas. Let's have a look. Top 5 ways to earn from affiliate marketing. Discuss the top 5 ways to make money from affiliate marketing. So yeah, this is one of the templates YouTube video topic ideas. Now let's go back to home page and let's have a look at another one. So let's say you want to write a blog post about a particular product or review. So you can click on product review generator. So product name, let's say Pepper Type, and tell us about this product. So what you can do, you can just go to the home page and you can just copy a few things from there. Okay, and it's giving you the option add a longer description for better results. So we need more content. Let's see. Your virtual content assistant. Okay. What do you like about the product? Let's see. Content creation. Okay, and then I click on create content. See, with all these different AI tools, you still need that human input to enter what you're looking for, and then it is going to give you the outputs. So it has given me two outputs. So let's read it through. I've been looking for a way to generate high converting content and have tried number of different tools. Nothing has been as effective as Peppertype AI. It has the ability to take keywords and turn them into high converting content in almost no time at all. I'm highly impressed with the results that I've been getting. I would recommend this tool to all marketers. It will save you time and money. So yeah, this is the review, and they have got one more, and if you want to create more you can do that. So that's a review generator which we used, and similarly you can use these different templates according to your needs. So if you want to write a blog post, you can start with the blog intro. You can also search for the template here. Let's say I want to create a blog post. So these are the different templates which are available for blog post creation. So it has got the blog ideas, conclusion, outline, intro, and blog heading expander. So they have also got these categories for social media, copywriting, SEO, e-commerce, products. So it's a quite vast tool, and it's a good tool to have with you for content creation. And now let me tell you about the different price points for Peppertype AI. So these are the two plans which are available. They've got the monthly plan and the annual plan. So they've got the personal plan for $35 per month and a team plan for $199 per month. And depending on the seats, the number of users they would be using this tool, so accordingly the price will vary. And with the annual plan they have got this 20% off, so that will cost you $25 per month. You'll have to pay $300 for one seat, and that will include 50,000 words, 40 plus content types, notes and text editor, templates, unlimited projects, customer support. And similarly for the team, you can choose this plan. So if you are an online marketer, a freelancer, then the personal plan is good for you. If you are an agency or a marketing company or a big team, then you should go for the team plan. So these are the standard plans which are available. But now let me show you my offer for Peppertype AI. So the plans which are available are the three plans which are currently available. License tier 1 for one-time purchase of $99. So that's one user with 50,000 total words per month, and that's only one time. You do not have to pay monthly. The second plan is for one-time purchase of $249. That will give you 100,000 total words per month, and that's more than enough, and you're going to get 5 user license. And the license tier 3 is for $399, and the license tier 3 is for $399. That will give you $250,000 words per month, not dollars, and you can use it for up to 20 users. So these are all one-time purchases. There are no monthly hassles, monthly payments involved. One-time purchase, I suggest this one-time purchase of $249. It's more than enough for you to generate 100,000 words per month. So in order to access this plan, the link will be in the description down below. You need to click on that link and you can then select any of these three plans which are available, and make sure you get this deal as soon as possible because this may not last for long time. Let me see till when this deal is there for. It doesn't say, but yeah, these deals are time bound, so make sure you get this as soon as possible. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any question about Peppertype AI, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.